There's really weird bird activity happening here. There's big birds flying, and there's crows. And Thunder's freaking out. There's more up there, but you can't see them. There's 3. Oh, now there's 4. Oh no. Oh, now there's 6. I don't know if you can hear the crows. They keep making their crow noises. Oh, now you can kind of see them with the clouds in the back. Except my phone keeps going out of focus. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, yeah, there's 8 now. Oh. Oh, now there's 9. I know they do this, but they keep getting so close. And then Thunder keeps barking at them. And the crows don't usually get upset when other birds fly through. And right now they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guess I'll throw more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now, of course, the crows have stopped. Hi, Thunder. Hi, Gidget. Okay, well, I thought it was weird and cool, and I think I caught a nice breeze, and it's pretty warm here right now. It was so cold last night. I mean, I say that, but I still slept with the fan on and no heater, so maybe it wasn't that cold. Thunder. Okay, I'm writing this idea. The birds interrupted. Now I'm going back, and I'm gonna talk about it later, but I gotta write it down first, so. Okay, that's all. This is Courtney. Bye!